Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry it's been a while, but today's an update. I got some parts for the 01 Celica. These are brass shifter bushings for the cable upper and lower, so hopefully I can show you where they are and help you figure this thing out. So the first shifter bushing, the lower one, is located down there. You see the brass right there? That's the lower one. That's the one on my car that's bad that we'll be replacing today for sure. Alright, I'm back guys. Sorry I couldn't video what I was doing. You know, it takes both hands. But basically what I found is these are the bushings. Once you get the pin out, the easiest way to pop this out I found was just to stick your screwdriver in through here and pry it out like that. In one direction it'll pop right out. And then the bottom one is right there. You just put that gray clip on top and then put the cotter pin through. Make sure the wider diameter is on the bottom because that's what holds it, and you need to get rid of the factory washer that sits underneath the factory bushing like this. You need to remove this washer or else the cotter pin won't fit. It's designed to have itself there as a washer instead of the factory washer. So that's the bottom one. You want to go ahead and remove this hose to get to the bottom one, which is down right there. Same thing, you just pry it out, no big deal. But one thing I did notice, if you're having an issue with like a looseness to your shifter, there's a plate back down here that holds the two shift cables, that if those bolts are loose, you'll still have play in the shifter even if you've upgraded to these bushings. I thought this was the issue I was having, but it turns out that bolt was loose and I had to bolt that back in. I mean, if you're gonna go ahead and replace something, it's always good to upgrade it anyways, but turns out I didn't even need them. It's nice though. I can already feel a difference when shifting. But yeah, these are the Speed Source brass shifter bushings, upper and lower. Let me know if this was helpful, and there'll be more on the 77 later on. I've got a rear bumper to mount, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.